It's Wednesday, June 10th, 2009. There's a severe thunderstorm heading towards Dallas. I'm here at 635, or I'm sorry, Interstate 30 in Gus Thomason in Mesquite, Texas. I have a bit of a vantage point here at the top of this overpass, and I'm going to try and get a little bit of footage of this thing coming in. Already some dramatic shots here. Off to the north. Of course, I can't stay out here that long. About 200 yards back to the hotel. So. This is looking off to the east. There's what's off to the north. So that's where it stands right now at 7:19, and there's a tornado warning for Dallas County until 7:45, and when it gets a little closer I'll get some more footage here. Hey, this is Dan. It's about 4 minutes later, 7:23, and the storm has developed quite a bit right behind me. It seems to really be doing all kinds of spooky stuff. I've never really seen anything like this this close to me or with such a good view, but I'll try and capture a little more of this here. It looks like it's bearing right down on me. I mean, I can't tell if it's several miles away or right about to be on me, but it's moving at a nice clip, and as soon as I hear thunder, I'm going to make a run for cover. But this is, I guess this might be the real treat for moving to Texas. You don't mess with Texas or their thunderstorms, right? You can get an idea about how light it is behind me, and then I'm going to do a panorama, and you'll see just how dark it is off to the east and northeast. behind me. The wind's starting to pick up. Very little lightning yet. Oh yeah, there's that cold air. That's probably my cue. The temperature change of about 30 degrees. And the wind picked up by about 20 miles an hour. I think I'm going to go now. Yeah. Capture this rotation here. Okay, yeah. Yeah, this is looking off to the south. And we're going to kind of get here a little bit of rotation. Or at least what looks like could become rotation of some sort. Wow, so we got this creek right next to the hotel, okay? And I've been looking at this thing almost every day since I've been here. And, you know, every time I look, there's, you know, maybe, oh, I don't know, a couple, maybe 3 inches, 4 inches of water. And now, after all these storms, wow, what a sight this is. You gotta check this out. For those of you back in St. Louis, it's now about the size of the Merrimack River. You know, of course, the Merrimack River being varying widths in different parts, but I've seen the Merrimack River look like this. But this is wow. Yeah, yeah, this is a lot of water moving right next to this hotel here, and it's just about 2.5, 3 feet from the banks. Any more rain, and they're calling for more rain later. I don't know. I mean, you know, this is, of course, is drain off water. This is not an accumulated, you know, water from say like it's an actual river. So, you know, those types of flooding concerns are not here. It's really more of a spectacle just to see this raging rivers. You know, I mean, this thing has got to be. Well, I'll try and get some other vantage points, but it's. I mean, it's 100 foot across. I mean, it's just, and it's got to be 30 feet deep. There's been non-stop lightning and thundering, and the rain is really starting to pick up now, so I'm probably going to go in here in a minute, but I just want to get another shot of these rapids. Yeah, it's really hard to get a good feel for the scale of how much water is here. I mean, the whole city area has been inundated with lots of rain within the last 12 hours. So this is, you know, I guess this is all coming from up north. But I'd like to walk out to the roadway and get a better shot of this, but there's still lightning around, and I don't feel like I want to be that far from shelter. But here's another shot of this water. It's just unbelievable. Nothing like it's done like any drain off I've ever seen. But obviously designed. Oh, just lost. Well, I didn't lose the umbrella. It just went inside out on me. So this is Dan for what is it? Thursday, June 11th, 2009.